Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a registered style in the Gutenberg editor. This is useful for if you're creating a theme and you want your client to be able to quickly apply a style without, typing a class name, or if this element occurs a lot throughout your website. It's a lot simpler to just click on a registered style. And when you have registered styles and you go to add a new post and say you start typing a paragraph, like you start typing here, if you have registered styles, you'll be able to select the style of this paragraph or whatever element over here. It's a lot easier to just show you how to do it. For this tutorial, I'm going to make a registered style for a paragraph tag. And we're going to start out by editing your functions.php file, um, which I brought up here. This is my functions.php file. I actually recommend keeping your code organized and not dumping everything inside functions.php, but that's outside the scope of this video. I will show you the code and how to register a style. It's super easy. I have it ready to paste here, but basically you use the WordPress function register block style. The first parameter to this function is the element you want to register the block style for. We're doing a paragraph, so you type core/paragraph. If you're doing a heading, it would be core/heading. If you were doing a block group, it would be core/group, etc. So the first parameter is the element you want to register a block style for, and the second parameter is an array. The array has two elements, a name and a label. The name is what gets applied in the CSS, and the label is what shows up on the back end when you're selecting the registered style. So I'll have this code in the description and on my website. You can copy it, but it's pretty simple. So we'll add this code to functions.php. I'll go ahead and upload this to my website server. And then we'll go back to the back end. We'll create a new post. By the way, I called that register style yellow paragraph. So we'll make a test post. We'll type a regular paragraph. And then I'll type a yellow paragraph. And you can see as I'm typing this paragraph, my new registered style shows up over here on the right. So we have the default and the yellow paragraph style I just made. We'll select yellow paragraph for this paragraph, and then we'll click publish. So now when I view this post, I have my yellow paragraph right here. It's not working yet because we haven't written the CSS for it. But if you look over here and inspect it, you'll see that it has this class, isStyleYellowParagraph. So what we need to do now is write the CSS so that every paragraph with that registered style will show up the same. You can put it in your theme CSS. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put it in the customizer, additional CSS. But we will do .isStyleYellowParagraph, background color yellow, padding 0.5 rem, color we'll make black, and we'll give it a border radius 6 pixels. So we'll publish that. We created the style for the register style we just made. We'll go back to our test post and refresh, and now my yellow paragraph has this style. So anytime that I'm in the back end, I'll go back to my post. Anytime I'm in the back end and I use that registered style, it's going to show up the same. So I can create another paragraph here, and then I'll make a second yellow paragraph. So we'll just type some words over here on the right. We'll click yellow paragraph, update, and there it is. Anytime we use that registered style, it will show up the same, and it's very useful if you have elements that repeat a lot, or you want to give clients control of the template or more control without having them type class names or apply class names in the back end. So using a registered style is a really simple way to do it. If you like this video, if it helped you, leave a comment below, and I'll keep my eyes on it and reply when I can. Thanks for watching.